Good morning, everyone. My name is Ritam Balik, and you are watching Balik Robotics. From today's video, we are starting machine learning with Python tutorials. So, without any delay, let's start. Okay. So first of all is like we all knows what is machine learning. If you don't know, this is our introductory video. In this, I'm just going to tell you what is machine learning basically. So in our day-to-day life, we use machine learning in various things like visual assistant and chatbots. Chatbots like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like part of deep learning, which comes under the machine learning. We will discuss it later in this course. And for the self-driving cars, fraud detections, the adware, the YouTube ads which it recommends you, it also work on the machine learning algorithms, image analysis, etc. There are many uses of machine learning which you are seeing in day-to-day life. And machine learning is very popular course nowadays and like very demand in the market. So that's why you have to learn these skills very much. So the question is, what is machine learning? So, in to understand what is machine learning, our first question is what is learning. So, learning is like we are humans. We just touch the things and we feel it like it burning, so it's hot. It's freezing, so it's cool. So we learn from our mistakes and other experiences. So that's how we learn from the things. But if we talk about machines or our normal computer, how it programs, it's like we just give it the pattern is like we just told them if a person do 1 plus 1, then you give the result 2. And just add them if he's using plus, subtract them, it is using minus. So the question here arrives is can machine learn from experience like us? Okay. So to solve this question, we have developed machine learning. So machine learning is basically giving ability to computer to learn without being explicitly programming is machine learning. So our first thing is where people confuse is like what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is AI. People generally mix these terms and say that AI is machine learning is deep learning, but they all are completely terms. It's like uh, artificial intelligence is a big circle. Artificial intelligence is like a branch of science devoted to make a machine which can think. It's like artificial intelligence like your autonomous vehicles or your robot. It's like the one from the Marvel movie Age of Ultron, Vision. Vision is a perfect example of AI. Okay, so in artificial intelligence, there is a small branch which is called machine learning. So machine learning is just focuses on enabling computer to perform tasks without explicit programming. Just the way I taught you earlier that it just learn the patterns. So, and in deep learning, we just, it's a small part of machine learning. In deep learning, we just copy our neural network, the neural network which present in our, you know, their biological diagram. I will show you in the deep learning course. It we just copy that and give our PC to think about like us. Okay. So let's see what is machine learning and what is traditional programming. In traditional programming, we just have one input. It's like I give you input one, and then and then plus sign, and the pattern is like if he is giving the plus sign, then just add it. So it's just simple. In the machine learning, what we have is like we give our machine input and we give our machine an output, and we just say that learn the pattern from it. And when it learned the pattern, we use that pattern to predict our outcome for the input, which does not know what his output is. Okay. So now is what is the application of machine learning? It's like I've told you many applications at the starting of the video, but there are many. It is in use in every field like finance, health, virtual assistant, e-commerce, automation, social media, everywhere. And in a health sector, a person take 5 years to complete his PhD so that he can make a protein structure, minimum 5 years. And our machine learning algorithms can find the protein structure of any problem or any viruses in minutes. So this is the power of machine learning. Okay, so how will we cover this course? It's like first we will learn the theory part, cause it's like we should understand some concepts so that we will know what is done in the code. After that, we will jump on the practical part, which is coding part, which we all enjoy. And after that, we will shift on the next topic. Okay, so that's what about this, pretty much about this course. So this was all about introduction, and if you are new at this channel, just subscribe it. And thank you. Let's meet in the next video. See you there. Bye bye.